To obtain a total reading, the main scale reading has to be combined with the dial gauge reading. Let's analyze this example. Firstly, we see that the main scale reading is a little over 70, but under 75 millimeters. The dial gauge is therefore read on the 0 to 5 scale, and in this example is 1,75 millimeters. Therefore, the total reading is 70 plus 1,75 millimeters. Let's now examine one more example. Again, we begin by observing the main scale, which shows a figure above 15 millimeters. Because the cursor is past a 5 millimeter division, we can read the dial figures as being 5 millimeters and upwards. The total reading in this example is therefore 8,35 millimeters, plus the 10 showing on the main scale, giving a result of 18,35 millimeters. Complete the exercises on total readings in your workbook, after which you will learn about care and adjustments of a dial caliper.